What is up, you guys? In this video, I want to share with you what the whole check engine light was all about. So apparently when I was around 360 to 365,000 miles, I had a check engine light that popped up, and I scanned the code. It said engine coolant bypass valve B, control circuit high. Now, looking into it, did some research. I thought, what is that? So this one engine coolant valve that needed to be replaced. And so I went to the dealership, tried to order the part, and they told me, oh, there's this one common part on this car that always goes out. And so they offered me one. And in a second, I'll show you what that part is and where it's located in the engine. But really, it's just this one part that they thought it's a common issue, and they sold me a part that was on the top behind the engine, when in fact there's actually two engine coolant valves. The second one was actually below the battery, and right now in a second I'm going to show you how that's going to look like. Alright, so here's the engine bay. This is the part that is most common to go out. That is a engine coolant valve, and that's the most common one that the dealership would sell you. But for my car, that was not the problem. The problem was actually under the battery. There's a second valve that actually goes, and you can't see it here. I've tried showing it on camera. You can't see it. I'm gonna post a picture. So like I was saying, this valve is the one that was on the top. This is actually pretty good. I replaced it even though I didn't need to. And then this one is the one that was faulty on mine. It's basically the same as far as if you connect these connectors in. Your car would read them as it's identical, but really they have two different ends. See how this has this end, and this has different ends.